I hope these give me some proper like retro vibes. Like I want to run around here thinking I'm in Stranger Things.
Now my team, all brothers I ride with, though I got no whip. Brothers we scheme, trying to cuff a bad bitch, like this light skin shot.
Okay, so today we back with another dunk unboxing. This time we got the Nike High Dunks 1985 acid wash. You could have got these in 2 colorways, but me, I went for the grey, wasn't really feeling the red. So let's get into it. As always, your first look finna be my first look. You know we keep it 100 authentic on this channel. So if you wouldn't mind, leave a like, comment, and maybe even subscribe. So if you're wondering where I got these from, I actually got them from Foot Patrol. I think you can actually still get some on the site. I caught an L on sneakers as always, which is a bit mad because I seen bare people chatting about this shoe and they didn't like it. I didn't really speak to anyone else I knew personally who was going for it, and I know a lot of shoe people, so when I didn't get a win, I was quite surprised. But shout out to my Instagram people who actually told me that they were just sitting on Foot Patrol, so I managed to get a pair. Shit. This is what we call a box shell, for real, for real.
Damn!
This is killing it. This is giving me those retros, those 80 vibes, the colors, the everything. Oh my days, even like the wording on the box is nostalgic, like nothing but nostalgia. Jeez, this is giving me mad like VHS tape vibes, you know what I'm saying? Like some of you kids are too young, yeah, but this was, yeah, this was a time period in it. I might not have been, you know, in the 80s, but yo, 90s babies, shout out to 90s babies, because we were kind of on the tail end of this, right? But the box is mad, yeah. I'm gonna have to give you some close-ups because it's actually quite a big box. But yeah, it just says high quality dunk 1985. I think that's Beaverton. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know. ORs are Oregon, I don't know. Yeah, fact check me. Let's just go ahead and open these up, innit? So unlike other Nike boxes you just flip open, this is actually just a straight lid off top. Inside we follow the same kind of pattern, a nice little tissue paper with the grid and classic Nike logo and symbol. The inside of the box is also kind of like got that rainbow design that we saw on the outside. But yeah, let's go. I'm low-key kind of pissed. Like, this crep is beat. Like, this crep is beat. Who's worn this crep, brother?
If 2 plus 2 is 4, right? And 5 plus 5 is 10, okay. What the fuck is this?
Okay, I'm gonna focus on the crep itself, but these are not in good condition. Like, it's like a scuff, or like it's been dragged along on the toe box. This here is all picking off. We've got loose stuff all here. Like, this is the first time I copped off of Foot Patrol. Maybe it's not their fault, maybe it's just factory type ish, but it don't look in good condition, I can't lie. Like, I don't think there's even all the tissue, I don't think there's even tissue in the toe box. It looks like mad. Let's move on from that. Let's just look at the crep in it. The creps themselves are actually nice. The leather is really nice, like I can't lie. These accents on this part, like, is quality. Like, I can't knock that. I really can't knock that. The colorway is kind of like, it's not really like a sale. It just kind of looks like they've gone for that aged look that's kind of like popping right now. Like the midsoles and that are all like in the same like aged kind of effect that we've got going on. We've got a nice pair of lace swap outs here, again in that very similar color. It's nice that I don't know how they did the acid wash. I did see an article or something about how exactly they did it, but you can tell it's had time put into it. Like, yeah, fully appreciate that. I feel like Nike have fully gone for the nostalgia here because we've got that kind of classic Nike logo and tick. Also, that is shown on the sole of the crep. Again, it's very, if you know crepes, it's a very classic design on this one. Again, with the classic Nike logo. That's also the same color on the tongue. It's all just very well matched. You can even see some of the gray poking out on the sole here. So these are actually my first pair of high dunks, and I didn't know how they were going to really look. I thought they might look mad. I didn't really know what I was going to wear them with, if they're going to be too big, like chunky looking, but they don't. They look proper nice. I need to try them on. I got these in a size 5. But I am impressed. I'm impressed on the quality. It's just a bad shame how beat up this shoe is. I don't know what has gone on with this crep. I don't know, but if we focus on this crepe, it's a nice shoe, and I would give this a solid probably like between a 7 and an 8, so we're gonna give it a 7.5 on the gas ratings here. But no, honestly, like nice crepe. I'm finna rock these. Sometimes in pictures, yeah, you can't, it's really hard to tell how it's gonna look, but I'm actually really impressed with these, and the red ones actually might be nice now that I've seen these on pictures. I was a bit like, I'm not really sure, but yeah, sick leather quality. It's just a dope crepe. If you can get a pair that's not mashed up, this has really annoyed me. Like, it's really like put a downer on this for me, but I don't know, it's not too bad. I feel like maybe if you, I don't know, I'm gonna say maybe if you wear it you're not gonna be able to see it, but you're finna be able to see it. I'm gonna give you a close-up because that's kind of annoying. But let me go try these on so I can give you some sizing info. When I was just about to put this on my foot, I actually just want to mention, they got real dope insoles in here. You know I don't like taking my soles out, but I'll give you a zoom in. Yeah, just bare retro, bare nice. For some reason it's giving me Gatorade vibes. I don't know why. But yeah, nice little touch in there, innit? But I'll show you that.
12 seconds later.
They are a bit tight. I might have to size up, which I wouldn't. If they're still on now, I'm probably gonna maybe grab the next size up and hopefully pray for a better looking pair. But that's just to keep in mind. Maybe my feet are weird. I'm kind of in between two sizes. But for you, you might be perfectly fine. If you're a bit worried, maybe just go half a size different. But apart from that, banging crepe, nice little colorway. It's made well. Leather is buttery, like it's dope as hell. Got the nice little retro vibes, tags, extra laces. I don't really know what more you could want from a crepe, if I'm honest. It's definitely recommended, Shea certified. So yeah. Hey yo, it's Shay from the future here. I actually just finished filming next week's video, so this is what I'm finna look like next week. A little sneak peek of what we kind of have to come. But first, I just wanted to jump on here real quick because I actually have now worn these out, and I just wanted to come back on here. And I know I spoke a little bit about sizing, but it's actually a lot different from when I actually went out in them. So I just want to tell you this to keep it in mind. These are tight. So as you know, I sent these back and got the next size up. So here's what these are now. And yeah, super tight. I've been told the 85 version on these is like that. And even though I went up a size, it is really slim fitting. So if you are a guy with maybe wider feet, you might have to steer away from these completely, because I don't think you're going to find a size that is really comfy for you, because I got quite slim feet. I got little gal feet in it, and I feel them out. Do you know what I'm saying? My little toe, regardless of when I got them and when I sized up, still is, you know, touching the edge here. It can be annoying, so I don't think it's a crepe you'd want to wear out for long. That's the only minor thing I think that I, you know, want to come on here and say to you. Just keep that in mind. So maybe half a size up or whatever. Or if you are quite wide-footed, you might have to pass on these, unfortunately, because it bugged me, and I know that I'm little. So if it's bugging me, I know it's gonna bug some other people. But you might be okay. But I just wanted to put that out there for you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to editing next week's video in it, so peace. Hey yo, thanks for checking in with me again. Hope you like this. Okay, so here's where my camera just decided to die. It feels like nothing was meant to go right this week. The crepes will mash up. I had to go a next size up. The camera just wasn't cooperating. So I don't know, we roll with it though, innit? So it's just one of them ones. So still, peace, love. I'll catch you in the next one. Or this one. I'm in next week's clothes. It's all gone a bit weird, innit? But still, blessings. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.